Hey, what's up? This is Santosh here. So today we will create a profile picture for your social media platform. It can be anything: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to create a profile picture keeping Instagram in mind. All right. Although you can use the same profile picture everywhere nowadays, if you see, all these profile pictures are cropped into a circular shape. Even if you put a square image, they'll crop it and it's going to become a circle. So keeping all those things in mind, we'll create a profile picture and we'll use Canva, because Canva is the easiest design tool to use to create something like this, and it's going to be really quick. Okay, so I'll create maybe 2 or 3 versions, then I'll decide on what is the profile picture that I'm going to use in my profile. Okay, you can follow the same steps and create a profile picture for yourself. I have not planned on anything. This is just going to be a total experiment, and I'm pretty sure something good is going to come up. All right. And if you have not done it yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button if you like this video, and share it with somebody who might find this useful as well. All right. So let's go to Canva. All right, here we are. We are in the Canva design dashboard right now. So here in the design dashboard, see, this is 1080 by 1080. This particular project file is a Instagram post project file. It's all 1080 by 1080. But profile images are usually 500 pixels by 500 pixels, which actually doesn't matter. If you keep the aspect ratio similar, it actually doesn't matter. You can even have a 1080 by 1080 profile picture and it will fit perfectly fine. Okay, but still, to keep it on the safer side, what we can do is, when we are downloading it, we can click on share, download, and here we have an option of reducing it to 540 by 540. Okay, so this is the Instagram post, and while downloading we'll get it to 540 and we'll download. So that should be it. Okay, now first thing is, let's upload a picture. I have this is my current Instagram profile, so I'm thinking of using the same picture, or maybe, let's see, I've uploaded a few pictures over here, so I can maybe use something from here. This one looks good. Let's flip it. Yeah, cool. I think I'll use this. I'm going to make it a square first, like that. Okay, like that. Get it to the center. Now I like to work with guides over here, especially when I'm using circles, because I don't want the images to overlap from the design canvas. Okay, so just to be on the safer side, I'm going to use guides like this. Okay, I'm going to remove the background of this image. Click on edit image, remove background. It takes some time, but it's going to remove the background without any problems, easily, like that. This looks okay. Maybe I'm going to do this. This is just one of the variations. Okay, we'll do this, and then we'll add a circle. So there are a couple of things you can do. One is, you can just add a random circle. Another one is grid. Okay, circle is, I'll show you, something like this. You can add something like this and change the color. Make sure the circle is touching on all 4 sides. Okay, like that. Okay, that's fine. And send this back. Make sure your image is inside the circle. they're going to crop it anyways. Okay, send to back. So what's going to happen is when your picture is going to be used by any of the social media platforms, they're going to crop all of this, and only what is inside the circle will remain. So this one, I'm going to change this to, we can do orange. So I want to duplicate this. I'm going to click on this. So it's duplicated. Click over here. Alright, so what I want to do here is I want to change the background to something nice. I can use a solid color like orange. Orange is my brand color, so I can use orange. And my secondary color is dark gray. I can use dark gray. I can even use white if I want. So these are the three colors that I use a lot for my branding. So here we have orange. It can be an orange circle with a white background. This can be one variation. And I have duplicated the page over here. So this one can be another variation where I'm going to remove this circle. Not remove exactly, it's on top of it. I can't select the background, right? So I'll just reduce this for once. Now this one has become a background image, so I won't be able to change the color. If I try to do anything like this, this is what's going to happen. So first I have to detach this image like that. Okay, and now I want to change this to white, and background I want to change it to orange. Background I want to change it to orange like that. So now I'm going to do the same thing. Not replace background. Bring to front. Okay. Do this. Move it over here. And let it snap. This is what will show up. So I want to adjust this image a little. Attach. Okay. Looks okay. Okay, this is going to be my second version, and let's make another version. Now this one is going to be, let's duplicate. Now I want to add a nice gradient to the background. Okay, so what we can do is we can go over here and look for gradients like that and see all. So there is a nice orange yellow gradient over here. So I can use that. See, there's another one over here. This is also good. Let's look for orange gradients. So there it's coming up with some gradient colors. This is what I have used over here, my older image. Let's look at something. So this is not a gradient, it's an image. It's also giving me more options. So I can use one of these as well. Something like this. Looks good, right? Something even darker will be better. Let's try this one. I think this is better. We'll use this. Okay, this can be another version. Let's get to gradients. I want to use a gradient. Orange gradient. I have to do this again. Reduce. replace, yeah, I can replace it. Detach, okay, now add this, replace, make this fit. Okay, before I do that, I would want to see if there is anything darker. No, this is fine. So this one, I'm going to blur this out. Where is just like that. Blur this out. Give it a darker tint like that, orangish. Okay, a little larger. Great. Now copy this. And this looks better, right? Awesome. Alright, so we have created about 4 profile images right now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are going to, I'm planning to use this one. This one looks good. I can use any one of these actually, but I'm thinking of using this for my Instagram profile now. So go to click on share and download. Choose 540 by 540. Even 1080 doesn't matter, but we'll keep it at 540. Current page, and not a transparent background, keep it unchecked. Make sure you download PNG, that is high quality image, and done. Okay, download. So it's downloading. Let's see how it looks. Looks great. Now the thing is, everything around the circle is going to get cropped. Okay, so don't worry about all these additional parts of the picture. That's okay, it's not going to show up. Go over here, click on edit profile and update. So there you are, that is Instagram. Let's see if the same profile picture fits in Twitter as well. Okay, so I'll go to Twitter. So I have the same image in Twitter as well. So let me go to my profile. And I'm going to change this. Okay. Edit profile. Apply. Save. Perfect, right? Same thing fits over here. Let's also try, what else? Facebook, LinkedIn. Let's try LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Edit. There. Save. Fits. Okay, here it's not fitting the way it fits in Twitter and Instagram. You can see this small line over here, right? So I think it already has a circle, so I don't think that should be a problem. I'll put my old photo back. So I put my old picture back. I don't want to fiddle with it right now. This I have to experiment a little bit and understand how I can be creative with my profile picture. As of now, if I add what I've put in Twitter over here, what can happen is, see, this already has a white circle and I have also added a white circle. So because of that, you can see one line in between. If I use a different color and maybe adjust the image a little bit, then I'll be able to use white plus another circle going like this. I can get things done like that. So for now, I'll leave it alone. I'll not play with it. Let's see how Facebook fits. Alright, this is my Facebook business page. So let's replace the picture over here and see how this one looks. Create profile picture, upload. Okay, so I have updated the Facebook profile image as well, and this one also looks great, by the way. So we have the same size, which is 540 by 540. Like I said, if you keep the aspect ratio 1:1, it really doesn't matter. It will fit properly. Only place I had an issue with is LinkedIn. I'll have to just adjust the image a little and I'll be able to fix that. So this is Insta, this is Twitter, this is LinkedIn. LinkedIn we haven't done. Facebook business page, and I'm pretty sure it will also fit in your personal page. That's about it. Easy, right? That's how you create a great looking profile image. You can experiment as much as you want. You can get as creative as you want. It's completely up to you. And Canva makes it easier to create something like this. It doesn't have to be complicated because everything is readily available. Elements, photos, all of that, right? So go ahead, try it out right now and create a profile image of your own. And once you have created it, also share it with me so that I can have a look at it. I'll be happy that you were able to create a great looking profile image because of watching this video. That'll be nice, right? To do that, all you have to do is send an invite request to my private Facebook group. It's Design Clans, facebook.com/group/Design Clans. Go to that page and send an invite request. I will add you to the group, and once I add you to the group, you can share your profile image in the group so that I can have a look. Not just me, even the other members in the group can have a look at your creation. That'll be great, and it can be inspiring to a lot of people as well. Okay, do it right now and share it with us. That'll be great. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on videos like this. I create videos around designing, entrepreneurship, marketing, and most importantly, how to build a business on the internet. Alright, so a lot of good things coming up in the future as well. And if you think there is somebody who would find value out of this video, make sure you share it with them, share it in your social media. That'll be great. Spread the love. Alright, that's about it. This is Santosh here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.